Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then I'm Sravya. I do videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle. Today's video is all about the facial at home. I'm sharing about a particular brand which have 5 varieties of facial kits in their brand, and if you want to know which brand it is and what all facial kits are available in the brand and what is my favorite one and how I do use this particular facial kit, then please keep on watching. Before heading to the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's jump into the video. So here is the brand which have 5 types of facial kit. It is Nature Essence. So let me go one by one with the brand kit. First one is the Nature Essence Flawless Papaya Facial Kit. This is the outer packaging, and when you open inside you will get 4 tubes with 1 extra detan face pack. This has 4 facial tubes, which is the cleanser, scrubber, massager and face pack, and you will get 1 extra detan face mask free with it. In fact, with each and every facial kit you get a detan face mask. Then the next one is Nature's Essence Brightening Diamond Facial Kit. It is this one, and here also you got 4 plus 1 5 tubes. It has a cleanser, massager cream, glow pack and polish cream in this. So each and every facial kit has something or the other difference in this. In this there is no scrubber, you get a glow pack and a polish cream in this. So next variant is Nature Essence Gentle Fruit Facial Kit, and this has the again 4 plus 1 5 tubes. You get a cleanser, scrubber and a pack, saffron massager and an apple pack in this. So next kit is Nature Essence Glowing Golden Facial Kit, and this is the pack. When you open it you get again 4 plus 5 tubes. One is the scrubber, second is the massager cream, third is a gel, and fourth is the face pack in this. And the last and the final facial kit is Whitening Pearl Facial Kit, and this is the outer packaging of it, and this is the tubes inside it. You get a cleanser, scrubber, cream and glow pack in it. So these are the all 5 different kits which Nature Essence has. So now let's see which kit I'm going to use today, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use here in this video. But before that, let me come to my normal attire when I'm doing a facial. So now let's change. So I have changed my clothes. Now let's start with this facial routine. So today I'm going to use this Brightening Diamond Facial Kit, not because there is any brightening or something, because you know I never promote the words brightening and fairness, just because I'm little bit intrigued about diamond facial. I haven't never used a diamond facial before, so yeah, that's the reason I'm using this diamond facial, not for the brightening or fairness sake. So yeah, this is a little bit disclaimer before I start that. So first starts with the cleanser. So let's use this cleanser. It says that sprinkle some water on your face and neck, apply the cleanser over your face and massage gentle upward strokes for 5 minutes. Wash the gel off with water. Get ready for second step. So let's do exactly the same thing. Before starting, let me wet my face and come back. So I have wet my face. Now let's use this cleanser and let's start with this facial. So it comes with seal on this top. We have to remove the seal. That is very good thing about this facial kit. I liked it, and I'm taking little bit of this cleanser in my hand and I will be starting cleansing it. So I can feel a small granule thing in it. maybe that will scrub your face also, and I guess exactly it does the same thing, and you can see the reflections on my skin because I guess that might be a diamond dust if I'm not wrong. So let's massage this for 2 minutes and then rinse it off. It's been 2 minutes, let's wash it and come back. So the next step is the nourisher or the massaging cream. So now let's read the instruction given here. Apply the cream in dot all over, moist your skin. Close your eyes and relax with your massage the cream into your face and neck. Gently upward stroke for 15 minutes. The glycerin in the cream moisturizer your skin is giving a soft, smooth, supple, ready for the next step. So basically you have to use this massage cream unless it penetrates in your skin, as they say. So yeah, let's do the same thing how they describe, and let's take this massage cream a bit in my hand. And let's massage it in your skin. I don't know generally if the massage cream is supposed to be cool or it's just because the climate in Bangalore is cool. That's the reason I'm feeling the cream also a little bit cool. So let's massage this in my skin unless it gets absorbed, or till 15 minutes as they told in the instructions. One thing I like about this facial kit is that this facial kit has the tubes. Generally lots of facial kits has the sachets which get waste sometimes. So this is the plus point about this facial kit, that it has the tube form, and I generally prefer to have a tube form facial kit instead of the sachet. Let me know what is your choice. Do you like the sachet one or the tube one? In the comment section, I would love to read your comments. So I have massaged this cream for 15 minutes. Now let's go to the step number 3. The step number 3 is glow facial kit or polishing cream. As you can see, it says apply the pack with a thick layer over your skin. Leave it on your eye area untouched. Relax for 10 minutes as your skin absorbs the diamond sparkles in this pack. Before the pack dry completely, wash it off with water. Get ready for the 4th step. So basically you have to apply this and leave for 10 minutes. So I'm going to do exactly that now. So I have applied this, leaving my eye area. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it and come back. I'm back after washing my face. Now let's go to the final step, that is the 4th step. It is the polishing cream. So it says apply the cream all over your face and neck and leave it on. The thick milk in it finishing cream lightens, smoothens and perfects your fair diamond-like gradient. Use this cream regularly to maintain your diamond white skin. So yes, I don't know why still people use diamond white and diamond white. Anyways, let's use this by removing the seal. I'm taking this little bit on my hand and I'm going to apply all over my face to finish this facial kit. This is the last and final step in the makeup routine. The facial routine. Being a makeup creator, always it comes makeup, but I'm sorry for that. It's a facial routine. So I have massaged this cream completely into my skin, and yeah, this is the final result. I will be putting the before video or a picture here somewhere of my skin, and this is the after of the facial. I can see visible difference in my face, and yeah, I forgot to tell what are the price and all, and how much the tube contains and all, because I was very much interested in using these facial kits. Now let's talk about the details all in this video now. So each tube is for 15 ml, 15 grams in it. So the detan peel off mask is for 15 ml, and the cleanser is for 15 grams, massaging cream is for 15 grams, glow pack is for 15 grams, and polish cream is for 15 grams. And totally you have 75 ml or grams in this, and it retails for 260 rupees, which I feel it's not much for the facial kit if you're doing at home. When you go outside, it retails, I think for diamond facial it will be easily for 2000 or something, and you're doing a facial kit more than 3 to 4 times at home just for rupees 260 rupees. Let me check what is the price for the other facial kits also, so that you have fair enough idea to use which and know what and how much you're spending it. So as I told, the brightening diamond facial kit is for 260 rupees. The gentle fruit facial kit is also 260 rupees. The glowing gold facial kit is also 260 rupees. The flawless papaya facial kit is also 260 rupees. And the last facial kit is whitening pearl facial kit is also for 260 rupees. So basically each and every kit, whatever I'm having with me, this all kit is each for 260 rupees. And I guess it is not that expensive also. It is very much affordable. You can do it at home, and you can see the visible difference on my face. And yeah, remaining it's your wish to buy or go for the parlor. I'm the person that I like to do everything in home except my hair. I go for parlor. So that is our other story. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and do comment what you think about this video or any other video suggestions is there. Please let me know in the comment section. I will be super soon catching with another video. Until then, bye bye.